Here's Russ filling up the water tank. That's how they do it, island style, with the bucket of fresh water to pump into the house. Light work?
Light work. You learned the island life, right? Island style.
I learned how to do this last time.
Hold them, babe. So ayun, sinasabudan po ni Megan yung mga manok namin. Ayan o, tingnan nyo po mga idol. Sinasabudan ng girlfriend ko yung mga manok namin. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa sila o. Ayan, malulusog sila. Yung iba, mamaya pa yan sila. So, dami na nila o. May mga maliliit pa rin na lumalo. So ayan, ayan na naman po yung papakain niya mga idol. So hindi siya sanay, first time niya pakainin yung mga manok. Kaya medyo natatakot pa siya. Ayun. Nice try, babe. One more, one more. Yan o, excited yung mga manok na kumain. The next one, same thing, just do, you can do it, just slowly, nice and slow, you'll be alright. Yep, you can use your left hand. Well done.
2 cups?
Yep. Thanks, babe. Well done. Yep. There you go. They love you.
Don't eat me.
Call them, babe. Call them. More here. More here.